The new buds from nothing are called the ear stick. The name suggests that the stick, which is the case, is more important than the buds. And it is a novelty. In the designer's mind, it should probably remind us of a lipstick. But in a broken mind of a person that lives in the internet, like me, the first thing that comes to mind when I look at this shape is this. A DIY product that lets you cheat in chess tournaments. If you're not aware of the great cheating accusation story in professional chess world, you missed a lot. But at the same time, this is not the first thing that comes to your mind. When you look at this shape, in the designer's mind, it should help you put it in the pocket way easier. But in Nate's mind, who commented on the introductory video of these buds on Nothing's channel, putting that in your pocket might look like I'm happy to see you. And I'm with Nate on this, even though I don't have a small penis. I can do this for hours. But anyone who buys these will do this for days, weeks, months, maybe even years. So the question is, will this, the mechanism, wear with time? So in order to do this, I'll have to sacrifice one shitty USB-C cable. Sorry, cable. So this is definitely not a real life scenario. All right, so for those of you who are wondering if the buds will fall out of the case if you open it too fast or anything they won't, these kind of marks are to be expected with long-term use probably. Minor scratches might appear on the inside if you use a drill. If you don't use a drill, I have no idea. Now that we know what may or may not happen to the case in the future, let's see what's in the case. They don't fall out easily. It's good. The buds are obviously different from the first gen Nothing buds. That makes them in-ear buds, not in canal buds, like Airpods 3 for example. The lack of the rubber tips has some positive and negative consequences that I'll talk about later in this video. But now the connection stability, that has improved, as Nothing says.
And the way that we did it is by basically redesigning the antenna. In ear 1, the antenna is lower down the stem here, which is closer to the face. So for ear stick, we moved it up. So now it's above the gesture controls and further away from the face, and that means the signal is stronger because there's nothing blocking it.
All right, so now I'm leaving you with the phone and the case, and I'm taking the buds with me. And I start counting the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 41, 40. I kind of hear something, but it's distorted it's very distorted. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I'm disconnected. After 50 steps, that's a lot. Hey, so this was impressive. All right. Let's compare it to the ear 1 buds.
31, 2, 3, 34, 35, 36. 37, 30, okay. So there are some problems. Actually, around 40th step. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And that's it. But that's the same length, basically.
Microphones. Nothing claims they updated the clear noise technology from their first buds, but hardware-wise, the mic system here and here is the same. So let's hear or not the difference.
Okay, so this is me talking to you from the new buds stick. Let's add some background office noise. Here it is. Nothing should change actually. Well, apart from the fact you shouldn't be hearing any office noise, which sounds
Like this. This is the sound from my studio microphone.
but it's something minor. Now let's play some city traffic white noise. Nothing special, but it might be a problem if there isn't any noise cancellation regarding the mics and the new nothing buds. Okay, let's change them to the old ones. Now I'm talking to you from the old buds. The same number of microphones, but different algorithm, as nothing says. So let's turn on the background office noise. And can you hear anything? Anyone typing in the background? There are actually no other noises here. Could have chosen better. And now I'm turning on the city traffic white noise, waiting for some cars to honk. Oh, did you hear that? It was a considerably loud one. If you didn't hear it, it's great. Another one. All right, that's it. And now the Airpods 3, because the construction is pretty similar to the US nothing buds. I mean, they don't have the rubber tips. You squeeze them to control. Yeah, this is it. This is the office noise in the background. Someone's doing something, writing on a piece of paper with a pencil, I guess. And it's way too loud. Let's move on to the city white noise, city traffic. And we got the first honk here. Another one's coming in a sec or two. Yeah. Did you hear that? All right, another one. Some more traffic noise. And that's it.
As I've mentioned, controls are different, so you squeeze the stem of these new buds instead of touching the stem as in the previous ones. And the really nice feature here was changing the volume level. I really like this move. You can also change the volume level with these ones, but you have to squeeze and hold. As you can see, it moves gradually. The sound of these, as nothing rightfully anticipated.
I know that some of you might be worried that because it's half in-ear, you're going to lose sound. But we added in something called bass lock, which is a software that detects how much sound is leaking out of your ears as you wear the earbuds, and then it retunes the equalizer curve to the optimal level every time.
So I compared them to the Airpods 3, and the Airpods 3 have more bass, and I'm not aware of any algorithm that should provide more of it to your ear. In general, the buds without rubber tips deliver less bass, or at least we hear less bass while using them. It's due to the way they're designed. And that is true for the first nothing buds as well. The thing that is also true is that for some people, the buds without the rubber tips are more comfortable to use for long hours. But at the same time, they tend to fall out of some people's ears more often than the in-canal ones. Regarding the sound in general, I don't think anyone would choose the Nothing stick for the best sound quality available in the market. For this, you get the Bose, Sony, or Apple products if you use an iPhone. I would also argue that the sound quality of these is a bit better than the sound quality of these. The price. This is interesting. The Ear One were 99 USD, but 2 days ago the price went up to 149. This is a weird idea, suggesting that these are better than these, and in most cases it's true. But then if these were still 99, they wouldn't be able to sell these for 99 because it would be like, it's not fair. You get more for 99 here, like ANC and the hear-through option. Okay, you get more battery life here. I didn't test it myself, probably other reviewers will come up with the numbers, but it's up to 7 hours on one charge. That is possible. I mean, if they don't support the ANC and the hear-through, which are the features that drain the battery most, it's possible. The only thing I can report regarding charging is that I like that this cable has rounded ends. It's nice to see that it matches the shape of the case. One more thing before we go back to this. In the first part of this video, I didn't have the newest software on this phone, and I've checked everything I talked about in this video with the newest software, but the conclusions are the same. Shit. Oh. Okay, more sand. It doesn't look perfect, but it still works. So as far as the mechanism goes, I think I will give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful apart from the last part. But I hope you liked it. Have a bearable one. And I hope to see you soon.